Hello and welcome back to another episode of Jeffy and Chihuahua. Today we're going to be doing a really cool Christmas treat. This is only 3 ingredients. We have some pretzels, some Hershey's Hugs, and some holiday M&Ms. To do this project, you're going to need to preheat your oven to 200 degrees. And then our first step is going to be to lay our pretzels down. I think we all know by this point he enjoys his snips. Now we're just going to take a lined cooking sheet, and you do want it to be lined because we're going to melt the chocolates on top and it will just be easier for them to come off. Now you can use any kind of pretzel shape that you want for this, but I think the best ones are these little guys that look like waffles. They just hold a lot more chocolate on top and they also sit nicely on the pan together. Once we have pretzels laid on our lined baking sheet, we're just going to take our bag of Hugs and we're going to have to unwrap all of these. Personally, I like Hugs better than any other kind of Hershey's Kiss. You realistically could use any flavor that you want, but these also, because of the lines, look a lot cooler when they're done. And we're just going to place one unwrapped Kiss on top of each of these. Now I'm just going to stick this in the oven for about 5 minutes at 200 degrees. I accidentally stuck the thumb in some chocolate. So I just pulled these out of the oven. I left them in there for a little bit over 5 minutes and they look pretty good. Some of them around the edges are a little bit too melted, so definitely keep an eye on them and check on them after like 3 or 4 minutes. Next, we're just going to take our holiday M&Ms and plop one on the top of each of these. Alright, so we have all of our M&Ms on the top of these now, and I'm going to stick these in the refrigerator so they can get cold again, and that should take about 15 to 20 minutes. I just pulled these out of the fridge and they look amazing. We did a really nice job. For the most part, they seem to not be stuck together at all. I had a couple that I messed up on a little bit. Hopefully we can break those apart pretty easily, but everything else looks flawless. I got some little boxes. This box has a lot more steps than expected. Now that all these boxes are prepared, we're ready to put the treats in. The couple that are stuck together, I'm just leaving stuck together when I package them. It's a personal preference. I just don't like how the raw edges look, and I think someone would be more okay with picking up a double one. We have completed 3 gorgeous boxes of treats. If you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time.